Established in 2000, Easeway Drain Care is your one-stop shop for all your drainage solutions and more. At Easeway, we also handle all unblocks, excavations, reline no-dig solutions, CCTV surveys, high-pressure water jetting, works done for all private, commercial and industrial customers, and we also work on septic tanks. Easeway is a company that cares. We strive for the highest level of customer satisfaction by providing top quality service to our customers, using a vast fleet of vehicles, state-of-the-art equipment, and making sure we only hire the absolute best engineers in all of Yorkshire. For more information, visit us online at www.easewaydraincare.com.